Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record 8K video on your Xiaomi 17. To record an 8K video on your Xiaomi, you have to open the native camera application, then switch to the video mode on the mode bar, and then just tap on this icon at the top of your screen that shows your current resolution. In my case it's 4K, and as you can see we can switch to 8K by selecting this option. And 8K resolution only supports 30 FPS, so if you wanted to use more frames per second, then switch to Full HD. And I'm not sure if 4K, yeah, 4K also supports 60 FPS, but if you want to record in 8K, then you're gonna be recording the video in 30 FPS. And let me quickly show you what an 8K video looks like on the smartphone. Okay, so it's gonna be a very short one since 8K videos occupy a lot of space. And so yeah, that's basically the video. Now, if you want to check the resolution of the video, just swipe. Okay, it doesn't work like that. Just tap on the three dot icon in the bottom right corner of the video, tap details, and check the video resolution. And if it says 4320 by 7680, that means that this video is in 8K resolution. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.